know, same day, same thing, y'all know. So I have some items from Hot Miami Styles that I have been needing to film. A lot of these pieces are probably kind of like, girl, that's winter clothes, because I was been supposed to film this video, but y'all already know what's been going on if you watch my update video and everything like that. So I just wanted to go ahead and do this video and knock it out. So these items are from Hot Miami Styles. So yeah, this is one of the pieces that I picked up, which is this dress, and it has these little straps, and then it kind of goes off the shoulder with the sleeve, and then it looks like this. I haven't tried this on, so I have no clue how this fits or anything, but I got this in a medium, and it's just a really nice jean dress jacket looking type of situation. So yeah, I picked that up. And then I also had picked up this set, which is so cute, but I will have to save it for the winter. It is a jogger type of set, but then it has these really pretty rhinestones going down the leg on the joggers. Really pretty, super blingy. I don't know if y'all can even pick it up on camera, but the waistband is just kind of like regular, and at the bottom you have the little scrunching around the ankle. So it's very like casual type sweats, but then you have the bling on the side that makes it super dressy. So you could totally put this on with some heels, or you can put it with sneakers or whatever, you know, you really want to do with it. And then it also has this really cute little cropped jacket as well. And, you know, you can wear the pants more high-waisted and just wear the jacket like with a bra and kind of like, you know, no shirt underneath. Or you could put a shirt underneath as well. But the jacket is really cute as well. Like, you could put this jacket on with other things also. It's like a cute throw-on jacket. Like, I could totally see myself wearing some jeans and something that is kind of like a little dressy, and then just like throwing this jacket on because it's a little cool outside. Or even with sneakers and stuff, it will still be really cute, because y'all know I just love my bling. And it has the bling going all the way around and then down on the sides by the zipper as well. And it has a hood on it. It does it have pockets? No, it doesn't have any pockets though. But yeah, it's really cute. And that is that. And y'all know I love their two-piece sets and all of the stuff that's like that. I had picked up one similar, you know, last year as well. Decided to try this trend again, because whenever I have picked up things before, as far as like pants, y'all know they busted on me. I had a pair of pants similar to this, and it did not work. They were too tight and they bust on me before I was even able to actually wear them. So I hate how these pants smell. These are like those, what are these even called? These are really cute. Like, I really like these types of pants, and they can be really cute dressed down as well. Like, I've seen girls wear these with sneakers and stuff, and they still look really cute. Although the pants do look more dressy, you can dress them down. So they are a really pretty bubblegum pink type of color. What are these? Latex pants. So yeah, like a latex pants, and then they have a gold button. I'm not getting my hopes up. I got these in a medium, but we will see how they fit, because I remember before when I tried these, I had a small and they ripped. Sorry y'all, Versace is asleep right there, and he just stretched and kind of knocked the camera. So then also I had picked up this. This is like a good chill around the house quarantine type of set. And I had worn this in some of my previous videos that I filmed. So it has these shorts, and they have these little buttons on them. So super cute to just like chill and lounge. You could wear it out if you wanted to, but I wouldn't, because I don't like to wear stuff like this out if I feel like my butt is hanging out and stuff. Maybe I might jump in the car and go run and get something to eat, but as far as like really going somewhere, no. And then this is the top on it, and the top is like long sleeves or quarter length, I can't remember. And you have the little same button details. So this was really comfy, and I wore this one day while I was filming. Also, I picked up this jumpsuit, and I was trying to remember if this was short sleeves, long sleeves. I could not remember. Oh yeah, it is long sleeves. So this is a jean jumpsuit in black, and I didn't have a black one at all. So whenever I saw this on the website, I was like, yes, I need that, because I love me a denim jumpsuit, but a black one I never had. So this one is long sleeves, and then you have this little detail at the waist where you can kind of like unbutton this, and you can bring your waist in even more to kind of like cinch you in, honey, giving you a vibe, you know. So you can snap this to come in more like that, or you can bring it out. And it has the zipper up the front in silver, and then these are the pants at the bottom, and also on the bottom of the pants it also has that same detailing. And on the back you can bring this in to like make it a little tighter if you wanted to. But yeah, I just thought this was cute and different, and I didn't have any black one like this. And you know, you can put this on with some sneakers, or you can put heels, boots, whatever, dress it up, do your own thing. And then also I picked up this. I couldn't even remember what this was because I never opened it, but I think it's some kind of jumpsuit. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't remember picking this up, but yeah, this is a jumpsuit. This is the top of it, and if you can see, it's kind of like see-through. It gives you like corset type of vibes. And then here is the bottom. The pants are ribbed, and they go down into a skinny pants. I don't know what size I got in this. I hope not a small, because Lord, I'm gonna be struggling to get up in this thing. I don't know what size this is. But yeah, so that is that. This is cute. I don't remember picking this up. Maybe there were, there might have been like an extra option, or I don't remember. But yeah, so that's everything that I got from Hot Mammy Styles. If you guys have questions, leave them down below. I'm sorry it took me so long to film this video, because a lot of these items are more so like wintery type items. But yeah, we got it now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.